Step by step on what I did to start my YouTube channel, to start making money. Step 1, create a Gmail account for business. Step 2, create a YouTube account. Step 3, finding a niche. Step 4, use AI to help with script, title, tags. Step 5, making sure it's not copyright. Step 6, deciding if you should be on video or go faceless. Step 7, deciding if you want your voice on video or not. For me, I decided to go faceless, and I didn't like my voice, so I used audio text. Step 8, edit your videos. Step 9, create a thumbnail. Step 10, gathering everything together when you feel it's ready. Step 11, creating your videos on YouTube from what you gathered. Step 12, reviewing everything, making sure you like what you created. Step 13, post your video for everyone to see. These are the steps I did. But what helped me more than anything to get started is watching a YouTuber by the name Make Money Matt. And I bought his course to teach me how to make great videos for YouTube and so much more. I will link his product below. Over time, my videos will be better.